Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech PRO X SUPERLIGHT 2C. In this video I'll show you how to change user profile. To change user profile, in the Logitech G Hub, go to Profiles and manage them. Add games and apps, browse, select game or app and tap Add. Now you can switch profiles between apps or default. If you want to disable profile, tap 3 button, select disable. If you want to delete it, select delete. You can also select enable profile switching and select default profile. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.